So we're back at this 2003 Dinali, the one with the dead blower motor. He also thinks there's door flaps. That was another one. Sometimes when pressing the buttons, the door flaps, vent flaps or heat and cold and stuff like that weren't working. We have the thermal fan clutch that's going to be replaced. I recovered it out. It was 400 grams short. Out of 1,400 grams, it only had 1,020 grams. So just a hair shy of 400 grams short. So we're going to fill this up. I have this scaled. This is 170 grams. And we're back to 0. So this is working. We are about to charge this up. So let's see if we can get this here and this here both in scale. And the train is going by. Let's turn off the vacuum. And let's fill this thing up. We're at 0 on the scale. We're in microns there. I just opened up the gas. We're going in now. So you could read the gas going in. So we want 1,400 grams. I could not read the sticker, so I had to go to the Max website. The Max, download the app. There's a Max app that has all the vehicles listed in it to it. When you're trying to look up the specifications, how much weight, you just look it up. And that's what I had to do on this vehicle. Oh, there we go. We're hitting 1,000. We want 1,400. And this engine's really hot. The system's hot. The car is baking inside. And 1,400 grams. Getting there. Getting 130, 150. There. Stop right there. All right. 20 grams over. No big deal. 1,420 grams. Whoopie-doo. So that's it. It's full, and we have a vehicle sitting in the sun, baking hot inside. The engine was running this entire time I was doing the recovery. All the AC lines are done. I had it under a good vacuum. And did that take 60 seconds or a little bit more to get 1,400 grams in? So it doesn't matter. I've heard guys on YouTube go, oh, but the car is hot and all this. Well, this fucker, oops, sorry guys. This firecracker is firecracker hot and sitting in the sun, and I just zipped in 1,400 grams in there, no effort at all. So that's the difference between the guys who can and the guys who can't. That's all. See you guys later. Adios.